Hello guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing great. And look, guys, if you have just seen my dozen of videos, which I really find good. Look, guys, content creation is what? Content creation is a journey. It's a process like a life. It's not like that you are making 100, 200 videos and then your channel monetize. No, it's don't start your channel like you just want to monetize and you want to earn money and you want to name and fame. No, just first of all the thing skill. Just improve your skill and learn, because as much as you learn, this will help you in your whole life. So don't just start that you are just be a content creator just to monetize your channel and earn some cash. So if you have just seen my dozen of videos, and look guys, I really don't think so any content creator who are making this content creation in English, all are translating Hindi to English. Look, it will take many more years. Look, today I can speak English just not because I know it. I already knew it, because my mindset was always clear. I'm telling you, my mindset was always clear. So that's why I can be able to speak a very fluent English. Okay, it's not like that I already knew it. You know what? I'm from Hindi medium. Okay, I'm from Hindi medium, and the school I have gone. Just like understand these are government school. Government school exactly was like this. Okay, there doesn't any difference their government in school, because and that is school. So yes, but they are this private school and there some very strict rules. Some of the 4 or 5 rules which I really don't understand. Look, what is the biggest disease? I am telling you, I'm telling you very reality check. In my school days, I have seen a lot of headmaster, principal always see girls like a taboo. Okay, I have seen many of cases they see girls like a taboo and they beat the boys. What kind of mentality, what kind of psychology is this? I when I remember that my school days, look, this you know what? These in the headlines, in a newspaper headlines, the eve teasing and the, all the brutal rape cases. I'm giving you a very reality check. Always was like this. Just tell me what is the meaning of that you are seeing all the girls like you really want to get it, and you beat the boys just because they stare them. Okay, so yes, and I'm giving you also a very reality check that even parents don't understand them. Okay, so yes, now it's time to move on, like such a move on. I know sex is the biggest taboo in India. I know. Still, this is the biggest taboo in India. People don't know what should do or what should do nothing. Okay, our censor board can't allow to this pornography and this kind of scene. But I really don't understand. We are the largest population of whole world. We are 150 crore. Now China is laughing us, because in 90s Indian and China GDPs are comparable, matchable. Because Indian and China, and look at that China is now ruling the world. Okay, China is far beyond. China is living in 100 years above us. So this is a really really alarming situation, because still Still, people don't know. In 2026, people don't know what should do or what should do not. They can't even, I mean, where is this maturity? People, I mean, still I'm looking girls. I mean, I really can't say they're women. They are 31, 32, 33 age. Still they are girls. They don't know they should born the child or not. I mean, they can't. I mean, they are not mature enough. They are not mature enough to take a decision. Still, so yes, it's but looking in 1 or 2 years, I am seeing that this can be disease, always can be you know what, there can be a strict rule can save this. I mean, in China, how they control the population, they rule the whole nation that no one can but over two child, no one can't but okay, let's see, let's watch, see, okay, but I'm hoping there is a very good situation in 1 or 2 years, okay, because look, Mahatma Gandhi already said it, one eye can give whole world eye, okay, and eye to eye, one eye is enough, okay. Pour oil on troubled water. Pour oil on troubled water. Yes, it's about the anger issue. It's about the anger issue. Yes, it's not a good situation. I mean, it's not a good situation that you can't control your look. Why Elon Musk is Elon Musk? I'm giving you a very reality check. Why all are the success people are become ultra successful day by day, day by day, day by day. You know what? Why? Because no one can't play their emotion, okay, no one can't play their emotion, okay. I mean, take a social media, take a newspaper, people give them a very abusive language, too much criticism, too much hate speech, too much, but they don't care because their mindset. You know what? These mindset, are they structured like this that they really don't care? They really don't care what people are saying because they know they have their maturity. What is the biggest thing in your life? Maturity. Maturity is the biggest friend of your life. Okay? If you are mature enough, I'm telling you, you will live a very good life. If you are mature enough, you will live always in heaven. Even bad people always surrounding you. Even psycho, mental, disturbing people always surrounding you. But you will live in a heaven, okay? If you are a just mature person, okay? So yes, just take a experience as much as soon possible, okay? As much as soon possible. Pull the string. Pull the string. Yes, it's about someone want to kill you and now you want to hiding. Someone try to chase you. Someone is staring at you, and now you really want to hiding. Okay, so yes, pull the string. Pull the pieces. Yes, it's about criticism. Pull the pieces. It's about criticism. Criticism. I mean, there are two kind of criticism. Good criticism. Look, you have to mature enough that you can take a criticism. Look, criticism will always aware you. Criticism will always make you sharper and sharper. Look at the Ranveer Singh. I mean, in this era, I mean, last 20 years, I can say that my favorite is Ranveer Singh. But look at their criticism. I think after Padmavat in 2018, when after Padmavat, that man faced a lot of criticism, lot of abusive language, lot of hate speech. That he is a womanizer, he is liking this, he is liking this, he is not a mature, he is a mad one. I mean, he faced, and now look at the Durandar. I mean, that man always is shocked. So yes, always you have to face the criticism, because criticism will make you bright and bright, sharper and sharper. Okay. Yes. Look, guys, we are facing a huge problem because we have the last 20 years. We really have. I mean, there are lots of problems, but we will discuss about in a next video. Okay. Put an end to. Yes, it's about put an end to. Yes, it's about now you really want to end. Put end to. Now you really want to end this cycle. You really want to end this chain. Okay. Put an end to. So yes, if you are learning and growing, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And as I told you in my every video, please tell me in comment box, and because every day I ask you that how much you are liking my content or etc. Okay. So yes, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Namaste, Assalamu Alaikum, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Chho, Majama.